Imagine this. It's your 30th birthday. You're sitting in your dream home, sipping coffee, and checking your investment portfolio. You're financially free, living life on your own terms. Now, imagine the opposite. A mountain of debt, no savings, and wondering where the years went. Scary, right? Here's the truth. The financial decisions you make today will determine which of those futures becomes your reality. So, if you're in your 20s, or even your early 30s, this video is critical for you. I'm about to reveal the top 5 financial mistakes that are silently sabotaging your wealth-building journey. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Let's start with mistake number 1. And it's the one nobody thinks will happen to them. 1. Living above your means. It's easy to swipe that credit card or sign up for yet another subscription, thinking, I deserve this. But here's the harsh truth. Living above your means is like digging a hole while convincing yourself it's a staircase. Think about it. Are those $7 lattes or impulse Amazon buys worth the stress of drowning in debt later? The fear of not keeping up with friends is real. FOMO is a financial killer. But here's a pattern interrupt for you. When was the last time your Netflix binge paid your rent? Exactly. To avoid this trap, flip the script. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings before you even see your paycheck. It's not about deprivation. It's about prioritizing what really matters. And speaking of priorities, let's talk about the next mistake. One that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars in your lifetime if you're not careful. Ignoring compound interest. Here's a fun question. Would you rather have $1 million today or a penny that doubles every day for 30 days? If you chose the penny, congratulations. You understand the power of compound interest. For everyone else, spoiler,